Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and these are my top 10 tips for Excel. To quickly input today's date, hold down the Control key and then tap the semicolon. The fill handle allows you to copy data and continue sequences. Hover your cursor over this small green square until your cursor turns into a black plus. Click, hold and drag down or across into adjoining cells. Numbers will be copied into all cells highlighted using the fill handle. If you highlight two numbers, the fill handle will continue the sequence. Cells with text and numbers together will be increased by 1, and days or months will also increase by 1. Whenever you have data that is laid out under headers where each record is separated onto its own row, highlight the values and then insert a table to keep your data together and easily sorted. Each header will have a drop-down arrow that will allow you to easily sort and filter the data in the table. There will also be some formatting applied. If you're struggling with the brackets and commas required in a function, click on the FX button on the formula bar to bring up the Insert Function box. Select the function you want and then click OK. That will then open the function arguments window and you just input the required parameters and Excel will handle the rest. If you have a pie chart and you want to make a point of a specific piece within the chart, click on the pie to highlight the whole thing, then click on the specific slice to highlight just the slice, click, hold and drag to move the slice away from the rest of the pie. To change the default colour palette used in tables and charts, go to the Page Layout ribbon and select a new palette under Colours. If you have too many columns of data and you want them all to be squeezed onto one sheet of paper when printed, in the printer options where it says no scaling, change this to fit all columns on one page. If you want to insert a new line within a single cell, hold the Alt key and press Enter. To navigate the ribbon without a mouse, tap the Alt key and letters or numbers will appear on the ribbon tabs and quick access toolbar. Type the highlighted letter or number and more will appear depending on what you've typed, until you've selected the command you want. And finally, if you have a pivot table and you want to show only the top 10 values, select the drop down on the first column header and select Value Filters, then Top 10. That's it for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.